Susie here. I hope y'all are doing well today. I'm sorry for not making a video in a bit. Honestly, I've just been living life. I have just been living life. I've actually been feeling really good lately, and yeah, I'm just kind of enjoying things. One of the reasons why I haven't really been too active on YouTube is because I've been busy working on my Poshmark closet. So I opened my Poshmark closet back up. I'd sold like one thing on there before, and I wanted to open it back up and start selling things more. Not like full-time selling on Poshmark, because obviously I do have a full-time job, so I cannot be on there constantly only selling things, but it is kind of a little side hustle of mine, if you will. And I have actually been doing really good. I've been really doing good on my closet. I've been selling a lot of items, and I'm really loving it. I've always wanted to kind of own an online boutique-y type store, and it's not an online boutique by any means. I'm just saying I've always wanted to kind of own an online store, and I love thrifting and I love reselling. But the thing about me that's different from other resellers is, especially on Poshmark, you'll get on there and you'll find people who go buy something really cheap and try to sell it for like 3 or 4 times what it's worth. That is so not me. I mean, I sell like shoes for like $8 on there. Like, in fact, I just sold this pair of heels on there. This was something I got in a ThredUp rescue box. They do have a few scuffs on them and stuff, so they're definitely not worth as much as they would be if they were in perfect condition. But I just sold these for $8. So I'll be packaging those up today. So a lot of the items that are in this haul from Dollar Tree are going to be things that are for use for shipping in my Poshmark closet. So I will leave that down below. You can be sure to check it out if you want to. I'm posting things on there all the time. Right now, I just sold quite a few items, so I need to kind of like restock my closet, and I think I may take a look on ThredUp again. I'm gonna go thrifting and stuff, find some really cool finds, but I just try to find things that I think people would like, and I try to sell them for a little bit more than what I got them for, obviously, but as long as I make my money back, if I just make a couple dollars profit, I'm happy with that. I just kind of enjoy finding a good deal and sharing it with somebody else. That's why I like to do it. So yeah, I've been busy with that, and it's been going really well, and I haven't gotten ready for the day yet or anything, so my hair is up, and I don't look great, but I really don't care. But yeah, it's a nice sunny day out. I'm just loving it. So okay, let's start off. The first thing here, and it's all alone in a bag, is because it is some light bulbs. This is some Sylvania Double Life, and I just now noticed that this was like taped closed. I never noticed there was tape on here, but they're both in here, so maybe the package or something just came open. But anyway, I think these are gonna fit in the chandelier that we have in our dining room, so I went ahead and bought these for $1, so hopefully those do fit, but I'm not sure. Moving on to the next bag, I got 2 kitchen towels, and this stuff is all kind of like just jumbled in here, by the way, because it was a big, like a lot of people were at Dollar Tree, and the poor lady that was checking me out was like the only one at the counter, and she was trying to hurry up, and I was like, just throw it all in the bags. I don't even care, as long as the food and the like cleaning things are not together or something. I got 2 of these kitchen towels. This one is a, they're both 100% cotton flour sack towel. Really like this one. This is super cute. It's got this fork, knife, and spoon. It says, "I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry." It is really cute, and I'm definitely going to be putting this in my kitchen. I love it, and I love that it's cotton. This one's really cute too. It says, "Just beat it," and it has a mixer on it. Wow, super cute. I love those. They had some really cute ones, so I did get those. I got a St. Patrick's Day scarf. Kind of looks like this. There's just some different little Irish things on it there, and I'm gonna wear this for St. Patrick's Day, just maybe around my neck or something, I don't know, but thought it was really cute. Let's see here. I got 2 of those, so I'm gonna wait on those for a minute because I know they're somewhere else in these bags. I got two, actually I got three toothpaste, but one I just gave to my husband. It was a Colgate Total. I got this one. It's a Colgate Enamel Health with whitening. And I got this one because this is a newer one. I don't think I've tried this one yet. And then I also picked up one of these Colgate Max Fresh with whitening knockout, whatever, mint fusion toothpaste. And also some of the things in these bags are not for me. They are for a women's shelter and also like a homeless outreach thing that we're collecting for at work. So some of these things like toiletries and stuff and food are for them. Because we are collecting for them, like for a women's shelter, and then also some of the food is going for like homeless. We have a patient that comes in that works with the homeless, and she goes and like kind of does this outreach program for them, and so she will be taking this stuff to them, and I really wanted to contribute, so I bought a few things for them. So I think I'm actually gonna put this toothbrush that I had that is unopened and this toothpaste there in their little bags. I'm gonna put that separate. I bought this Sesame Street baby wash and also this baby lotion. And this is also gonna go for the women's shelter because they do have children there at the shelter with the women sometimes. So I think they can use those. I bought two of these Wet n Wild One Step Wonder nail polishes. One is in By Felicia. That is really funny. By Felicia. It's like a play on words. But anyway, it's a fuchsia kind of color. And these are actually way more than $1 at the store. And this one is the same thing, and it is the Scientific Method. So it's a blue color, and I thought those are really cute, and I really like these nail polishes. You do not need a UV light for these, so I did get those. And then I bought 2 packs of thank you cards. The other one is in here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it here. Oh, there's another toothpaste. I guess I got 4 toothpastes all together. I don't know where my other thank you cards are. Oh, here they are. Okay, so I bought 2 packs of thank you cards, and these go in my Poshmark packages. They're both Hallmark, and each one has 6 in each. This one says thank you, and it's a really pretty cute little card. I always like to put a handwritten card. And this one says thank you also, and it's just got this little design on it. It's really cute, so I bought 2 of those. I bought this pack of Super Bubble Bubble Gum. This is going to be going in my candy dish at work. I bought this pack of Snack Pack chocolate puddings. These are going to be going for the homeless outreach. It's something easy they can eat. I bought this Starburst Duos 2-in-1 flavor little fruit chews or whatever, fruit candies for work. Actually everything else in this bag is going for the homeless outreach. So this is just some creamy peanut butter. We got a Welch's grape jelly to make something with the maybe like peanut butter sandwiches or something, and then a pack of these mixed nuts. This is easy to open, so got that for them as well. I got a hand soap. This one is for me. This is the Earth Blends pomegranate and plum, and I liked the other one I got. It was like coconut and pomegranate, I think. So I got another one of those for us. I got 2 packs of face masks. One is these Global Beauty Care retinol masks, and this is going to be going in my Poshmark packages as like a little freebie or something. I always like to throw a little freebie in there. And the other one is the cocoa and shea butter treatment masks. They have those Caribbean Joe Island Supply Company little perfumes there. They had 3 different scents, and so I got all 3. I have not smelled these yet. This one is in Blue Rush, and these are eau de parfum, which are really nice. These do retail for a lot more than $1, so I'm pretty happy to find these, but I got Blue Rush. I got Sunset Dreams. I got Barefoot Bliss, which this one I kind of could smell in the store because somebody had opened one and I kind of just sniffed at it really fast. Smelled really, really good. So I got all 3 of those for me. I got a pack of these Free and Clear baby wipes. This is also going in that homeless or women's shelters. I did get a pack of tampons that is not going for the women. That's going in my closet. I got these mini nail files. I bought these last time and I put these in my Poshmark packages as like a little freebie as well, and I heard people really liked these, so I bought some more. I bought 4 different kinds of ribbons for my Poshmark packaging. I bought this one. It's an Easter ribbon, but it's cute. It's blue. It's got a little bit of silver on it, and I think this one would look really cute with some of the things I'm packaging. I bought this one, which kind of has like a gradient, blue and green. This one is like pink, purple, and turquoise. And this one is like a rose gold color, so I picked that up as well. Those are for wrapping my Poshmark packages. Then I also got 2 candles. I got this tropical passion fruit scented candle. Smells really good, and I love this little jar. I want to try to reuse that jar. And this one is the berry sangria. Smells really good as well, so I got 2 of those. I got this duct tape, this holographic kind of looking duct tape for my Poshmark packages. Got some Scotch tape for Poshmark packaging. And then I also got one of these little spoon rests for my kitchen because my other one broke. And then in the very last bag here, I've got this Ajax vinegar and lime real citrus extract dishwashing liquid that I needed some more of. I bought one of these Zest cocoa butter and shea butter soaps for the women's shelter. I got another toothpaste. This is a Crest 3D white toothpaste. I got a deodorant, Secret deodorant, or Suave deodorant, I should say, for the women's shelter. I got a can opener. This is also for the homeless shelter. Apparently they really like can openers for like opening food. And I got another hand soap. This one has little dolphins and things in it. And some latex gloves. And lastly, I got one of these Good Sense Flap Ties tall kitchen bags. Not for my kitchen, but for my bedroom trash can because it is a little bit larger. So that's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you are excited or like any of these items below, if you are a fan of them. And I will see you guys in my next video soon, I promise. If you guys want to see reviews of any of these products, let me know as well, and I will do that for you. Bye, guys.